Hi everyone, this is Vijay from Laven. We are a CNC machine tool manufacturing and remanufacturing company. Today, I'll walk you through our CNC Centerless grinder design process and discover how our machines will deliver the best possible results for all your manufacturing needs. At Laven, we create machines that are the perfect mix of precision, accuracy and efficiency, all the things that matters. We are always researching and innovating, continuously striving to improve our designs and create products that not only meet but exceed all our clients' expectations. So how do we achieve that? Well, first things first, we really get to know our customer needs and requirements. We look at the material they work with, their production goals, and most importantly, any challenges they might be facing. This information allows us to create a customized solution that's perfect for them. Once we've got a solid understanding of what our clients needs, our team gets into action, our team of engineers gets into action and they get to work. They design every component of our CNC Centerless grinders with great attention to detail, ensuring top-notch precision. Let me give you a quick tour of our CNC Centerless grinders. Here we have the grinding wheel. The grinding wheel is responsible for material removal and achieving the desired surface finish. We use very high quality materials and carefully designed profile to ensure optimal performance. Next is the regulating wheel. This controls the rotation of the workpiece and ensures its proper alignment with the grinding wheel. Our regulating wheel spindles are designed to provide maximum stability and precision positioning. The heart of any machine tool is the spindle. Our spindle assemblies are engineered for flawless rotation and minimal vibration. This allows for precise control during the grinding process, ensuring consistent results. The machine bed or the machine frame, the robust ergonomic frame of our CNC Centerless grinders is designed to reduce vibration and provide a stable working environment. This enhances operator comfort and ensures the longevity of the machine. Our CNC Centerless grinders are designed to provide excellent surface finish, achieve tight tolerances and achieve high production rates. We only use the finest material and components in our grinders, which ensures maximum durability and performance, and our state-of-the-art CNC control system allows for quick, easy programming, precise control and excellent repeatability. And that's how our team at Laven designs and builds our CNC Centerless grinders with precision and accuracy in mind. Thank you for watching.